Can the memory of an iPhone be upgraded? This is an iPhone 12 Pro brought by a fan. Due to time accumulation, the phone's memory is down to just over 40 gigabytes. To avoid memory anxiety, the requirement is to upgrade from 128 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes with a strong request to document the repair process. A video will be recorded. This is his story. Removing the fixed screws. Taking off the cover. Disconnecting the battery and screen connectors. Removing the screen. Next, the mainboard will be disassembled for separate processing. With you in mind, why go through all the trouble? Seeing a pair of rings. Taking off the mainboard, is it working? He saw the phone's expansion. This involves replacing the silver hard drive with a new one. Considering future stability, a physical formatting method is used for the hard drive to avoid high-temperature disassembly, reducing unstable factors. He carefully polished the hard drive. The post-processing of the solder pad area is crucial. How well the details are handled also determines future stability. He remembers friends who have been hurt. What really grows up can wait. He cherishes the memories. The new hard drive is being attached. The goal is to ensure it is securely connected. He remembers they were once lovers. Next, the hard drive is heated for installation. This ensures it is firmly soldered together. Now, the mainboard can be placed back into the case. This is a reunion. The screen is reattached. The residual glue around the case needs to be cleaned. Applying a new waterproof seal. Oops. No way. The screen is clipped on. Since the new hard drive has no data, a system flash is needed to install the new OS. Once the flashing is complete, the phone's storage is successfully upgraded to 512 gigabytes. Testing all functions, everything is fine. The serial number interface also appears normally. The memory upgrade on the iPhone 12 Pro is complete. If he also needs a memory upgrade, he should quickly click on the profile to contact me.